This call started as a routine welfare check, but within seconds, officers realized a child was involved, and time was already running out.
She's like hanging on the door. I don't want to pull it because she's going to fall out. You want to... There we go. Hello.
What?
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm going home.
You're what? You're going home?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Some people were a little worried about you. You were just sleeping here.
What the fuck?
I don't know. You tell me.
I just parked.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh my god, you guys got my baby out here and me.
Your baby?
Yeah, I just parked.
Where's your baby?
Right here.
What's up? Back up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit
Where
down.
you park?
Sit
Where you
down.
park? Where you
Sit
park?
down.
Where you park?
Sit down.
No,
Sit down. Sit down.
Let me
Guys,
get my
can you help
baby.
me?
Let me get my
Sit
baby.
down. Sit down.
My baby in my put my
Sit
baby
down.
in my car seat. I just
Sit
parked.
down. Sit down. Sit down. That's a lawful order. Sit down. It could have been a crash. I don't know. She's got.
I just got here.
Sit
I
down.
just got here.
I need you to sit down. Sit down right there. Sit down.
I just parked.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah. You
See,
told me to sit.
see right there? Look where my finger is. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, I live right here. I literally just parked.
Are there any signal 4s or signal 3s in the area involving silver mouse?
No, you can pull it out. You can pull it out.
What is it?
That's my purse.
Oh.
Thank you.
Sit down again.
Do you guys want to walk me to my house?
No,
right
I
here?
want you to sit down.
No, right?
No. I want you to sit down. Can you check some other districts? It's damage to the front left side. I'm not going to ask you again. I need you to stay with your vehicle or I want you to sit down.
I'm right here.
You are not going anywhere. You're staying right here until I figure out why your son was laying in the floor of your car.
Floor?
Are you missing something?
Did you throw up, dear?
No.
We're off at 2-1.
Sure.
I promise you I'm fine.
Well, I feel like we should probably check everybody out first.
No, at this time you were not going inside.
You're in green,
you were listening.
you're blue.
Yes, I'm. Do you know who I am?
No.
I'm with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
I know.
And right now you're being detained until I figure out what's going on. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
Hey,
Okay.
here,
You are being detained. You are not free to leave.
What?
I'm gonna check your vital signs. I'm gonna.
All right, I'm gonna follow them.
You're gonna
no,
stay.
I'm gonna follow them because
no, you're gonna stay right there. Yes,
no,
yes.
I'm gonna follow
you're gonna stay
them
right
because
there.
they got my baby.
Ma'am.
I'm gonna stay right here because they got my baby.
Ma'am, listen to him, please.
I'm listening, but they got my baby, so I'm gonna stay right here.
Listen to me. My concern is your baby. It was out of the car seat on the floor.
No, he was not.
Yes, he was. Yes,
And
he
I
was.
was right
Yes,
here.
he was. Just listen to him, please. We're not gonna leave. I can't leave without with your baby without your consent.
I'm not leaving. I live literally right here. You guys can walk
You
me
pointed that way
inside.
first. You pointed that way. Now you live over
No,
here.
I live right there.
right.
You can walk me. You can walk me. I promise.
You find any signal 3s or signal 4s in neighboring districts?
I live right here. I live right here.
Okay.
Look,
Just
you
listen
can
to him,
walk
man.
with me. I can hold him. I can hold him. I can hold him. I can hold him.
No, you're not gonna hold him. You're gonna wait right here.
Yeah, we're gonna check his vital signs, okay?
I literally just parked. I got here right now. I promise you.
Okay, but we want to make sure that he's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna check. We're gonna check him out, okay?
He wasn't. Yeah, because him.
No. We found him underneath the car seat.
Because
My
of him.
partner had to pull him out of underneath the car seat.
Sorry,
Yeah.
have you?
Oh,
He's gonna be 1 in 2 weeks. I literally just parked right now.
well, someone
I
called and
got
said
home.
that you double parked, so you might have just parked.
I
Been
didn't
here
double
for a while,
park,
though.
babe. Look, I literally just got here. I live here. I just got here. I promise you 100%.
Driver won't stand there.
Yes, she's a driver. The kid was laying on the floor in the car. She's got damage. She could have been in a signal 3 or signal 4. And I need to call the complainant to confirm that he swear him in to make sure that she was here for an hour.
Where's the kid?
Backseat laying on the floor, not seatbelted in. Laying on the floor of the car. There's damage, and she's
Sleeping?
She was sleeping. Sleeping right there in the.
She was sleeping.
She was sleeping.
And you're detained, you take on nowhere, just don't walk away. You were sleeping, 3 people had to wake you up, and your child was in the back floor, sweating, in distress, in a hot car. Tell me none of that's true.
My baby has been sweating since he came out of my.
Oh, okay.
You called this Mazda saying it was here for an hour. You said.
Yeah,
Yeah, they came in at about 5 o'clock.
Okay, you want to come up here and just talk to me real quick about it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, we'll be at the same place where the Mazda was.
Pulse 137, sat 98, 100%.
I live right here. I will walk with you. I promise you.
Somebody called, said your vehicle was parked here for an hour.
It wasn't an hour, baby.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to believe you instead of some unbiased witness. When that deputy comes back and lets me know how long you were here, then we'll go from there, okay?
If you guys need anything else, then I'm going home in my house.
You're not going nowhere. You're staying here. Did you not hear what I said? You can't leave?
You didn't say that part.
Oh, I didn't say that? Okay. Now, you're detained. You can't go nowhere. Just don't walk away. If you walk away, you're going to jail.
For what?
I don't know how to tell you for what. Just don't go nowhere.
I don't have to go anywhere.
Okay.
If you walk away, you're going to jail. You understand that, right? If you try to leave,
I'm making sure my car is locked. What are you guys tripping?
go back over there.
You guys want to walk me to my house?
Nope.
So what's the problem?
I told you. He's checking some things out. And when we
I
find
didn't
out,
hear that part.
and when we find out, I'll let you know. He's going to go talk to somebody. Ask exactly how long you were parked here.
Well, he doesn't know because I literally just parked.
No, he doesn't know. That's why he's going to find out.
Yeah, so how would he know?
Because he's going to go talk to the witness who saw you parked here for an hour.
I wasn't here for an hour. Well, you guys can knock on my door. I literally had to take a shit.
Don't go nowhere.
Knock on my door.
Don't go nowhere.
I live right there.
Don't go nowhere.
I gotta take a shit.
Don't walk away.
I'm not going anywhere.
Now you're going to jail.
Marco? Hey, sorry.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, just, never mind. Hang tight still.
Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail.
No. I'm not going
Now you're going to jail. Come here.
Babe, I'm right here.
Take the kid.
I'm not doing anything.
Come here.
No, I'm
Let
not
go.
doing anything.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
No.
Let go.
No.
Let go. Let go.
Do you have the kid?
Yeah, I have.
I'm not doing anything.
Now you're definitely not doing anything. Because now you're going to jail. Drop
I
this.
haven't been.
And you smell like alcohol too.
I don't, bro.
Let go. Let go. Let go of it. Let go of it.
Take the kid.
Let go of it. Let go of it.
Hey, you're good.
What the hell are you doing? You just made it so much worse for yourself. Yo, okay. Let go of it. What the fuck are you doing? I don't give a shit.
Let's get her.
Do what you're fucking told to do.
Hey,
Yo, okay.
let's
What are you
let's get her.
What are you grabbing? What are you grabbing?
Desmond.
She's grabbing.
Grabbing you?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Stop it. Stop it.
We're all right. We're all right. We're all right. Come on.
Stop it.
We're all right, Desmond. I got it.
I'm not
I got it.
touching him.
Yeah. Oh, you just didn't grab.
Are you trying to go for my gun? There's no way you're trying to go for my gun.
I don't have shit.
I got it. You're trying to bite?
Get in the car. Get in the.
He's got my leg.
Get in the car.
Off of me.
Get in the car.
He's got my leg.
Get in the car.
Why the f would I get in the car if I'm not doing shit?
Get in.
No.
Watch out.
Get the f off of me.
Desmond.
Get the f
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Desmond, slow down.
Sit in the car.
Get the f off.
Nope. That ain't gonna happen. You keep kicking me and grabbing my.
Hey!
Sit down.
She's gonna kick.
Sit down.
I'm not kicking.
Sit down.
I'm not kicking.
Sit back.
Get the f off of
Get
me.
in the car.
Don't kick me. You're gonna be adding charges. You're literally doing it.
I'm not.
Get in. Back up.
Get in.
Back up.
Okay, look, calm down. We're good.
Get in.
I know.
Get in.
You're fine. Just jump up.
Slide back.
No.
All you have to do is
Slide back.
Slide back. Slide back.
No.
Yes.
No.
That's another charge.
No.
4. Get in the car.
You're charging me for
Get
what?
in the car.
Why are you putting me in the car?
Because you're going to jail. All right, put her on the ground. Put her on the ground.
In the grass.
Why?
Get on the
Why? I'm not doing shit.
Turn over. Turn over. Calm the f down. sit in the car.
I swear I'll go home. I will.
Get in the car.
Ow!
Get in the car.
Ow! You're hurting my arms. Wait, take this off of me.
Get your legs.
No, I will put it inside, but I need to take the cuffs off of me.
No, the cuffs are staying on.
Hey,
put your feet in the car. Let's go.
No, wait, my shoe fell off. My shoe fell off. No, my shoe fell off. No, my baby. My baby and my shoe.
Get in the car.
No.
Yes.
No. My baby. Please, my baby. Please, no. No, please get me out of here. Please.
Yeah, in the back.
I swear 100%. I'm not going anywhere. Please take this off of me. I can't. No, are you pushing me? I didn't do shit.
What do you want?
Something?
What do you want?
I want to go home.
No, you want something. What do you
No,
want?
I don't want anything. I promise you.
You're not going home. You're going to jail.
No, no. Why would I go to jail? I literally live right here. Okay. Get the off of me. Where's my baby?
You have the firefighter's house.
Get the off of my neck.
Just put it back in the front. She's trying to bite me.
Liar.
You want to just lay her on the ground and get that hot on the street there?
Calm down. Bitch, calm down. Calm down. Pull it.
Call my mother right now. Call my mother right now. Call my mother, please.
How did she get out of it?
Get the off of me. Call my mother for my baby.
All right, ma'am, if I call your mother, will you calm down?
I will 100%.
Okay.
Please call my baby right now.
Okay.
Please call.
Okay,
Please
calm
call
down,
my
calm
mom.
down, calm
No.
You calm down.
I am calm.
So what's her
Get
number?
your fucking phone. I promise you.
What's her number?
I'll tell you right now.
Hold your butt. Stay there.
Put the hair behind my hair.
No.
I can't.
You may have not been told this before, but no.
Valentine bitch ass move. Take my baby. Take this off me, please.
Holy shit. She kicked me in the balls. She kicked me in my leg. She kicked him. She bit Nick. That's 4 felonies.
After officers finally gain control of the suspect, she and her baby are transported to the hospital for medical clearance. An officer still at the scene now is able to speak with the witness to find out exactly what he saw that started all of this.
At about 4:50, 5 o'clock, I was going on a walk in the neighborhood, and as I was coming around that side, I noticed a silver SUV coming in from the residence side of the gate, and as they came through the gate, they accelerated way above the 15 mile per hour speed limit. Kind of looked the other way as she was coming around the curve, and then I hear tires squealing as she's coming around the turn over here. I noticed that the car approached the parking space aggressively, immediately put her hazards on. At that point, I just figured, okay, I'm gonna go inside my house. Went inside the house for about an hour, left to go to Sprouts on Atlantic Avenue, and I noticed that the car's hazards were still on.
Was it in the same? Now, do you see the vehicle currently right now?
Yes, the Mazda.
Okay, the Mazda over there.
Yes.
When you saw it pull in, did it ever leave that spot?
So she didn't start in that spot.
She didn't start in that spot.
No, she was double parked. I'll walk with you here.
No, it's fine. Just from right here is fine.
Do you see where that black Chevy is? Mm-hmm. She was double parked next to that black
Chevy. You mean the Camaro over there?
Yeah, the Camaro.
Okay, further down. Okay, she was double parked there.
And the hazards were still on.
So that's where you saw when you walked in.
Yes.
And then when you walked out, where did you see the Mazda then?
No, when I was leaving the neighborhood, I'm sorry. When I was leaving to go to Sprouts, she was still double parked next to that Camaro.
Yeah, okay. Do you have any reason on why the vehicle would be here now?
No clue.
No clue.
No clue.
Okay.
I thought it was odd that the hazards were still on and nobody left the car. So I figured I'd call non-emergency services, and I thought she was having a medical episode, like could have had a seizure or something.
And you saw her in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. When you went to go leave to Sprouts, it was 6 p.m.
I can tell you real quick. Okay, so it was closer to 5:45 when I left.
Okay, 5:45 when you
As
left.
opposed to 6.
Okay.
When I was heading to Sprouts, I called non-emergency services and just recommended maybe an EMT or like fire rescue can come out and check on her. It's just not normal to sit in your car with your hazards on.
Did you see anyone get out of the vehicle at any point in time when you were looking at the vehicle?
No.
Not once. Okay.
This suspect, Monica, was charged with 4 counts of felony battery on a law enforcement officer, felony resisting with violence, resisting without violence, felony child neglect, and felony child abuse. Court records indicate the charges of resisting without violence, child neglect, child abuse, and 2 of the battery charges were dropped. She has since pleaded not guilty to the remaining 2 battery charges and resisting with violence. As her case is still ongoing, she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. I used to say to myself with every well-being check call, I hope this is not the one that leaves me in shock. Police answer thousands of these calls every year. People passed out, confused, off their meds. God only knows, but for every minute you delay in a hot car, a child's brain is literally cooking. Now picture this mother's mindset. Not protective, not locked in on that child's safety, because she knows that baby is in that car. And still, her focus is drifting, wrapped up in herself instead of her kid on the floor. When the officers step in, authority suddenly in her space, she's unable to answer simple questions. Instead of switching into mom mode, she shifts into fight mode, not because she's protecting her child, but because she's protecting her warped version of events. So in a situation like this, when officers give commands, it's not just about control. It's about stabilizing a scene that's already way past safe. Remember this, every second these officers are wrestling with her is a second that child is still vulnerable. And that's what makes these calls so dangerous. They pull attention away from the real victim. We lose kids in hot cars every single year in this country, dozens of them. And most of the time, it's not monsters. It's overwhelmed or irresponsible adults who thought, it'll be fine, but it never is. So when you see officers getting firm, even physical, understand what's driving that urgency. It's not just anger, it's the clock. Because while people like this woman act like this, a child's body doesn't get a second chance.